Hey y'all, happy Friday. I am coming to you to show you something that I learned over the past week. So I've been following a YouTuber. Her YouTube name is RTS Scrapbooking, and oh my goodness, she has the most best tips, best videos. I love it. So, I've been an avid scrapbooker, I would say for about maybe 10 years now. And off and on, depending on my life and what's going on. I would love to next year go on a spending freeze. And that's actually what she did this past year. So, I learned a lot through her videos. They're very educational. I highly recommend if you are starting out as a scrapbooker, want to know more about scrapbooking, or are an avid scrapbooker like I am and you just need something to kind of get you back into the groove. Her ideas and just tips and tricks are awesome. So, one of her tips is to make base pages, which I never thought about, the different ways that she wants you to scrapbook. And it really is kind of funny because when you think about it, sometimes I'm in the mood to scrapbook, but sometimes I just want to play with paper. And sometimes I just want to or organize things. So I find her very educational for those things. She has taught me so much and kind of gave me back my spark with scrapbooking. So I do apologize if you hear my daughter, her night music thing is on. So let's go ahead and start with the first thing, and it is base pages. Now she's got a couple of different videos on this. I will try to link them down in the show notes so you guys can see. But basically, it's when you don't feel like doing the whole page of scrapbooking, you just want to work with paper, and that's it. And it's awesome because I'm a mom, so if I want to just take the stuff downstairs, I have all these collections. This one is an Echo Park collection called Little Girl. But if you want, you just take this down and then you can just boom, boom. I'll show you what took me about 30 minutes to make just this stack of layouts. So with that being said, so this is the first collection that I used, and it's by Echo Park, I think I said. So I started cutting up these just to use as my embellishments for the laying out of the page. As you can see, I did do some fussy cutting, which she talks about, because sometimes you just want to sit there and cut a few little things out. This is all of my scraps left over, which is pretty awesome from a collection. I basically almost killed the collection. This is the the sticker sheet, which I haven't used yet because I still haven't done my layouts, so I want to use it when I start doing my layouts. And then this is the base pages. So this is the first base page that I have. This is the second one. It's a very popular one that she uses, and she says to not stick everything down to the edge. So you will notice that some of my pages are very flimsy, because if I want to add something underneath of it, it's not already glued down, which is smart. So there's that one. Here is another one that I love. Here's another one with some clusters, and I mean, it could go either way. And then this one is probably one of my favorites. So my plan is to start using up my scraps and my collections that I have, and really diving in every single week with a little bit of scrapbooking. So that is the first pack that I used up, basically. The second one I have here is, I think this is called, like, I don't know. Let me see if I can try to get it off. Okay. So this is by Echo Park as well. This is called Once Upon a Child, or Once Upon a Time. Once Upon a Child. And so basically I have these scraps left over, which I probably could do another layout if I wanted to. I could do cards, just really anything. I probably will use cards because I do go through them a lot more. I did use some of these in my stash. And then here is the, oh, I'm doing this one-handed, so I do apologize. Here is the sticker sheet, which I haven't used yet because I'm going to be using it when I do all the layouts and embellish. And that'll be fun for me because then I can actually play with my embellishments. So the layouts that I used for that are this one right here. I did use a little bit of hole punching, or edge punching. This is a 2-page layout. So here's the first half of it. And this is actually a sketch that she did too. I just used different paper. She used the same exact collection, which I didn't notice until after I had started cutting some of these. This is the next one. This is the next one, which I have a plan for this one. And let me see, there's 2 more. There's this one. And this one. So very cute. I think all of these took me about like maybe 45 minutes, if that, to complete. So in less than an hour, I would say maybe an hour, I got this collection done and this collection done. Like, seriously, it is so awesome how I never really thought about scrapbooking like this. So my plan is for every night or every month in 2020 to give you guys a video of my base pages, kind of if I have any embellishments that I want to use or know that I want to use with the collection, add that in there, and then make it so that way I have it easy throughout the month to scrapbook and have fun. And then towards the end of the month, I will show you guys either if I have enough layouts for a video, I will show you all my projects, or I will wait until the next month and show you like every 2 months my layouts. So that is that. I'm going to actually work on some of these tonight and get some layouts done. So I wanted to kind of show you guys what I'm starting out with first. So let's go have some fun, and I will see you guys in my next video, hopefully having some of these layouts used. Bye!